I did a real deep dive in research for Plug Power and their viability to scale up to supply hydrogen fuel cells for data centers. This hydrogen fuel cell for data centers is a pretty new thing, and the big tech companies are actually trying it. Plug Power said that they've been testing with three major hyperscalers, which is big news. Look at Bloom Energy. Bloom Energy is a fuel cell company too, and once they started getting contracts with like the big companies like Oracle, their stock just exploded. This these hydrogen fuel cells are relatively new, but I see a lot of potential. Even though it's expensive right now, these tech companies are just going to be running out of options because the natural gas turbines are on back order a lot of times, and there's just such a demand for electricity that they just have to exhaust everything they can. The Plug Power CEO said that they're actually been doing tests with the hyperscalers for their fuel cells. There's a hydrogen ETF. HYDR is this hydrogen ETF. It has all the fuel cell companies that I just talked about, like Bloom, and it even has fuel cell, F cell, F cells particular for that one. I like this one too. It's really cheap. And Plug Power, like in their last quarter, they said that they're looking to be cash flow neutral, and they're gonna be profitable like in a couple of years. It looks like, or if not sooner, because they do have like a diverse range of businesses that have a lot of bringing a lot of different revenue streams. And I really like the prospects of Plug Power here, especially the CEO has said that they've been working with hyperscalers on projects. It's thought that they've been working with another data center maker, ECL, and they did like the first prototype, like a proof of concept for this hydrogen power, and it's like a modular one, so they could scale it up. And they're looking to make that one go to 1 to 2 gigawatts, which is a big deal. Like that's what the big tech hyperscalers need. They need like 1 gigawatt of power, which is like a lot of power. So the viability is there to me, and the market and people aren't even really aware of it. Like there's a lot of short sellers on this one. It kind of reminds me of EOSC. This one had a ton of short sellers on it, and it was just really misunderstood. But it did have a big following then. Like Plug Power, like hardly anybody is engaging on Plug Power posts on Twitter. I think it's even more of a contrarian thing where it could be a big upside if they started getting these big contracts. The balance sheet's fine for at least for a few years, and they've definitely been working with with hyperscalers as far as the CEO says. Might even get contracts from all three. I don't know. I mean, that would be amazing. That would be huge for the stock. But like the prospects of Plug, and the safest way to do it is just that ETF, the this hydrogen ETF, because it has all the stocks involved with the hydrogen.